working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts.
Yo. So today the weather is so good. Yesterday the weather was not so nice, but today we have so good sun.
Yeah.
And look at outside. People are out.
Yeah.
So I want us to go to the city center, and I have some euros here, coins.
Okay. How much?
It's close to 12 euro. Yeah, 12 euro.
Oh, you are rich.
Yeah, so I want to go and enjoy the street food in Valletta.
Oh,
Yeah, you know, well, when we were there last time, I saw they have a lot of places selling street food, but it was mostly the Asian people selling it. We have a lot of Asian people working here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say they have worked, they are Indians mostly. We also met some Chinese. They
Yeah.
keep on saying they have been working in Dubai.
Yeah,
Then they came here.
Yeah.
Dubai, then they came here. Yeah.
There are some.
Yeah, so let's go and taste some beautiful street food. And the good thing, the food is so cheap. They are selling it €1, 90 euro. In Norway, you cannot buy anything for €1.
Yes, you can buy.
The cheapest street food in Norway is €4.
You can buy one apple.
One apple for
Yeah,
€1.
yeah.
They don't even sell one apple.
Yeah, of course you can buy one apple if you want.
No, you are funny. Let's go and enjoy street food in Valletta. So we are here at this is the Statue of Independence of Malta. Independence. They got independence in 1964 from the British. Look at you there as if you helped them to fight for independence. What's wrong with you? Go away. Then we have Santa Claus there. And this one looks good. I want a photo here with Santa. Here I have for only €5 coffee, cappuccino, and in here it looks like mandazi. Yeah. Cappuccino. Will you have?
No, thank you. Oh my God, though.
I know you just want to go and drink the cocktail.
No, I wait 2 hours.
Okay, we can go and sit there.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I
la,
enjoy
la,
my
la.
street food.
Yeah.
Look at all these shops. Show them. All those shops are selling street foods in Malta.
Yeah.
And many of them are like Indian. The shops are here.
Yeah, but I saw everything.
Yeah, show them the shops. So when you come in Valletta city, when you are hungry, you just order some street food.
Yeah, then you don't need to make food yourself.
Yeah, and it's cheap.
Oh my God, oh, very beautiful also. Ram.
This is how it looks like. The mandazi.
Hard working every day.
This is how the Valletta snacks looks like. I've bought another one. This one, Yo-Yo. This one, they call it pomodoro. And this one the first one, they call it arasini. Look, everyone here is just enjoying the street food, including the birds and including Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo is eating arasini. Yeah. This one tastes good. Yo-Yo, will you try this? Pomodoro, it tastes good. This one now is the real mandazi.
With you, I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane we're taking away. Don't hesitate now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down, we're going away.
We are here. This one is the bus stop. So here we have buses which are parked there, and then this one looks like a fortress or
Yeah.
a castle or something.
It's castle.
not big. It's going up to the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost the same like the ones in Portugal.
Yeah, all the time, all the thing here is the castle. Castle, castle,
Yeah,
castle.
the castle everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Oh my God, think about these people make this. They have to be very hungry.
Of course it is the slaves.
You think so?
Of course it is the slaves.
Oh,
This
sorry.
one was a British colony, so it is the slaves who made it.
Sorry.
And you are saying sorry. You
Of
are not
course.
good. Huh?
Of course I have to say sorry because that was not good.
Okay. Yo-yo,
Yeah.
you know, I was surprised. Like the population of the whole of Malta is only 500,000 people. And then the population of the city, Valletta, is only 6,000 people. And then the problem is, I've not met even like one original Maltese person.
Only.
Yeah, I have not met, like, I don't know how they look. The only people I meet is foreigners and mostly the Indians. Indians are everywhere working.
Yeah, but they are a good worker.
Yeah, they are good, they are nice,
Yeah,
and they
yeah.
speak so good English. So
Yeah,
I'm
not
happy.
not like my English. La 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 la
That's
la
why
la
when
la
you
la
speak
la
to
la
them, they
la.
don't understand what you are saying.
Yeah, they
but
don't
when I
under-
speak to them, they understand me.
Yeah, they understand. Don't understand me. Oh.
Yeah. So my country people, those who always want to come to Europe, maybe you can check up Malta because it is like a very touristic place and the population is so low, and then it is just foreigners who are full here working.
Yeah.
Foreigners everywhere working.
Yeah,
So
they
if
are
you want a job and you are in Kenya, in Europe, maybe you can check out Malta.
Yeah.
It will be easier to get a job because here also they are speaking English. Like the main language is English.
Yeah.
It's not like in Norway, you have to learn to speak Norwegian before you can get a job.
So let me see you sing now.
What shall I sing?
Vær flittig og snill, og ikke vær slem. Når det blir mørkt må du skynde
You, the
deg
only
hjem.
thing you know how to sing is the
Julenissen
Christmas
kommer
song.
ikke.
If it is December, you are singing the Christmas song. January, you are singing the Christmas
Yeah.
song. April, Christmas song.
Because
Why
it's the-
can't you change?
Ok, du og jeg og vi to seilte i en tresko,
That
var
one
det
is
bare...
even more bad. That one is even worse.
Nei, not bad oh. La 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 la.
Let's go and eat our street
Yeah, go now so you can have
the
food.
Indian food.
Oh my God, look at this beautiful ass oh.
You must alone.
Shake your ass. Let me see you shake it oh.
No.
Oh my God, you are a good shaker. Don't be angry oh.
Sun is bad.
Yeah, the sun come back oh.
Is bad.
When I start to say you shake your ass oh, then the sun come.
You are not so nice.
I know, but you have a good nice ass oh.
You are not so.
It's Christmas ass.
You are not so.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see here it's written
Yeah.
war rooms.
Yeah.
So it was a castle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do people have to fight all the time? Don't they have something better to do?
Yeah, but if start war there, they go in the room there.
Now where is the room?
It's on the, I think it's under here when we come down.
Or down like
Yeah,
okay.
because all the time under the ground.
Okay.
Yeah. We have war room in Norway too.
You have war rooms in Norway.
Yeah,
Who
many
is
of.
Norway fighting with?
You never know, but after the Second World War,
Yeah.
sometime when this was finished, they start to make very much of them.
Now why were people fighting in the World War?
I don't know why people fight. Why can they not be kind to each other? It have been much better. Huh?
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this one. This one is a dustbin, and then it is shaped like a Bionis.
Yeah.
Teddy bear. So you put it like that.
Yeah, det är sant.
That was so nice.
Bring it with you.
Well, we like that.
I
Oh,
know.
here we have so good sun. Look.
Yeah, it's coming and go.
Yeah.
It's coming and go just like you when you travel.
Then now here is the bus station.
Yeah. Det är sant.
But why is it their buses don't have windows? Look, their buses don't have windows.
Ja, det här.
Where?
Back.
We are in this bar and we have ordered some drinks. Buy one, get one free. They call it happy hour. So I'm having the pina colada, 2 of them. And Yo-Yo is having these, what do you call your drink? We are having cocktails, yeah. And then food is coming very soon. I'm happy to be in Malta. And then look at outside. Look at how sunny it is. Wow. Then this is what we are having. It's a cocktail of everything. The fries, the pork ribs, this one is lamb, chicken wings, meatballs, and all that, a combination of everything. And it is so fresh and it tastes so nice with some supplements here, some bread and some sauce. Wow. Enjoying our holiday in Malta. We are here at the wheel of Valletta and we have bought our tickets. We just want to go in and experience Valletta.
So no timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah.
Our turn. People come out, then we go in. You are on the Valletta wheel. Yeah, we are on the Valletta wheel. We are going up to see the area view of Valletta.
Yeah.
Yeah, the things I make you do when you go for holiday with me.
Oh my God, you do everything. Now we come to the very much high up.
Yeah.
How many meter?
I don't know, maybe, no, 2 meter?
2 meter?
200.
Yeah,
No, it cannot be 200.
I think it's maybe 30, 40.
30, 40.
Yeah, it's very windy, will be up here.
Yeah, it's not so windy, so much.
Oh, okay.
You remember last year in Portugal, you went for the gondola ride.
Oh my God, it's much windy up here.
It's not windy, relax.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
Someone is scared, you are scared.
No, I'm not scared. Oh.
You are scared.
Are we
You
in
want
the
to
top?
cry?
No.
You are on the top.
We go down again.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
No.
just like that.
See the window. We can see all.
Woohoo, the sea is there.
Yeah.
We can see the whole of Valletta.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that the population of Valletta is only like 6,000 people. And the population of the whole of Malta is how many?
Close to 500,000.
Yeah, only 500,000
Yeah,
for
yeah.
an entire country.
Yeah, son.
Yeah, that's funny.
Oh, it's a very good thing. You can see all over the Valletta. Oh,
Yeah.
la, 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 la.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah, everything look good. You look good too.
Aerial view of Valletta.
La 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 la. Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You know one thing will be crazy up here. If people break up and they start to fight.
How can you break up inside the wheel? Don't you have a life?
We never know.
Don't you have a life? How do you break up inside the wheel?
We never know people can do that. You see they do it 60 times, so I hope we can drive 6 times.
€6. This other side.
Yeah.
But why are people scared of the wheel? It's not scary. It's just going very slowly round.
Go slowly too.
Yeah.
But we are at the top of Valletta.
The top of Valletta.
Yeah.
You see, I told you Valletta looks like exactly like Greece, and they are close to each other anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's stone. Everything is stone.
Stone.
Arms.
But when you look at Valletta here, it looks, it's very many people. It doesn't look like only 6,000 people.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
You see, no, we stop.
You like singing all the time, la 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 la.
That's my reason.
You only go for vacation to sing. Yeah.